Hello children, today we are going to revise chapter number 4 of moral science, and the chapter name is The Habits Die Hard, and the value which we are going to learn from this chapter is cultivating good habits. Okay, so I'm going to read from the book and I will explain you line by line. See the book. So habits die hard, value taught, cultivating good habits. So warming up. Why do you think your parents tell you to develop good habits? What is easy for you, telling lies or telling the truth? Do you know that's bad habit take time to go away? Read the story to find out more. So our parents always tell us to develop good habits. And what is easy for you? Telling a lie, झूठ बोलना आसान है, or telling a truth. So for that we should always stay away from the bad habits, and if you develop any bad habit, it will take time to go away from your life. So read the story to find out more. So an old man had 3 sons. So in this story, Habit Die Hards, we have got an old man and he has got 3 sons. He wanted them to lead a virtuous life. Virtuous life means what? A life full of values. He often told his 3 sons to learn and follow good habits. वो अपने तीनों बेटों को बोलता था कि अच्छी हैबिट सीखो, उनको लर्न करो, उनको फॉलो करो, and avoid bad habits. Soon the old man found that his sons had learned bad habits. उसके पापा को पता चला कि तीनों बच्चों ने कुछ गलत आदतें सीख ली हैं. He decided to teach them the importance of learning good habits. So what he has decided as a parent, he decided that I should tell my children to leave the bad ones and learn the good one. One day he told his 3 sons, let us go to the garden. एक दिन उसने अपने तीनों बेटों को एक गार्डन में बुलाया. His sons were surprised but quietly followed him. बेटे सरप्राइज तो थे because for the first time their father have called them up into the garden, but they quietly followed him. उन्होंने उसके ऑर्डर को माना. The garden was very beautiful. गार्डन बहुत सुंदर था. The old man told all 3 of them to stand in a line. तीनों को एक लाइन में खड़े होने को बोला. First he called his youngest son. सबसे पहले उसने अपने सबसे जो छोटा बेटा था, youngest one, he called him and said, uproot the seedling. जो छोटे छोटे सीडलिंग्स लगी हुई हैं, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स हैं, उनको अप्रूट करो, मतलब बाहर निकाल दो. The son pulled out the seedlings from the ground. तो सबसे छोटे बेटे ने वो सारी सीडलिंग्स ग्राउंड से निकाल दी and gave it to his father. and वो उसको फादर को दे दिया. He could do it very easily. It was very easy to uproot the seedlings. Then the old man called his second son the middle one. Okay, first he called the youngest son. Now he called the second son and said, pull out the sapling from the ground. And the second son had to make an effort. Sapling means a bigger plant. Seedlings are a smaller one, but the saplings are the bigger one. The second son had to make some effort. He has to put some energy to pull it off. He first pulled out the young trees with both the hands. Then lots of effort he pulled out the sapling from the ground. He got hurt in doing the difficult task. ठीक है, it was very very difficult for him. Now it was a turn of the eldest son. The सबसे बड़ा बेटा, तो उसका समय आया. He called him and told him to uproot a giant tree. Giant means a very big sized tree, a full-fledged tree. The son looked at the tree and answered his father, Father, this tree is firmly rooted in the ground. It has strong roots. ये बहुत बड़ा पेड़ है और इसके roots जो हैं बहुत strong है. It is so big and strong. I cannot pull it out even if I try hard. मैं इसको बाहर नहीं निकाल सकता ज़मीन से, मैं कितनी भी कोशिश कर लूँ. The old man smiled and called his sons near the tree. उन्होंने सबको बुलाया उस ट्री के पास. He said, this big tree is like a habit that take root in your heart. ये बड़ी सा जो पेड़ है उसी तरह से है जैसे कि कोई हैबिट आपके दिल में समा जाती है. Thus it is very very important to pull out the bad habits from your heart when they are still in growing stage. तो हमें वो बैड हैबिट्स, अगर हमारी कोई बैड हैबिट है तो हमें उसको ग्रोइंग स्टेज में ही उसको हटा देना चाहिए अपने अंदर से. Since they are not firmly planted in your heart, you will find it easy to pull them off. अगर वो आपने हैबिट ठीक से नहीं सीखी है, बुरी हैबिट है, तो आप उसको ईजिली अपने दिमाग से निकाल सकते हो. इफ़ दीज हैबिट्स बिकम डीप रूटेड, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू गेट रिड ऑफ देम. बट अगर आपने बहुत ज़्यादा उसको समय दिया तो आपके लिए शायद उसको अपनी ज़िंदगी से हटा पाना इम्पॉसिबल है. सो लर्न गुड हैबिट्स एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम बैड हैबिट्स. इसलिए हमें अच्छी हैबिट सीखनी चाहिए और बुरी हैबिट से दूर रहनी चाहिए. द सन्स अंडरस्टूड दैट वॉट देयर फादर हैड टोल्ड देम एंड प्रॉमिस टू बी गुड. सो द मॉरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज़ cultivate good habits and leave bad habits. Okay, we should always cultivate the good habit in our life and leave behind all the bad habits. Even any bad habit if we have got, we should try to uproot that bad habit in our early stage. Otherwise, if it become very big or it will stay in your life for a quite big time, then it will be very, very impossible for you to leave that habit. Okay, so if you not understand the chapter, leave a message into a comment box, and I will give you some revision sheet tomorrow positively, and do it in your home and let me know the answers. I will let you do the answers in the next video. Okay, all the 3 sheets, 3 or 4 sheets I will make and I will send it to you tomorrow. Thank you.